All right, we're here at NADA 2025 in New Orleans at the sMedia booth. My fellow and loved Canadians. I'm with Erin Richmond. She's the CEO of sMedia. Erin, thanks so much for joining me.
Thanks for having us.
Okay, you guys are doing some really interesting stuff. I mean, this whole time as I've watched you, you've always been on the precipice of constant innovation. I want to get your thoughts as you're moving into 2025. As the new CEO, first and foremost, how's that going?
It's been a wild ride for sure.
It's been a wild ride.
Yeah.
You were the marketing director before, marketing.
So I was chief revenue officer, and then prior to that I was ad operations manager, and prior to that I was customer success manager. So definitely started with clients and moved.
You understand the breadth of the customer ecosystem.
I try.
I'm always interested in speaking to companies like sMedia because your understanding of the landscape in North America at large is usually much more vast than some of those that specialized in specific regions. So I want to get your take from a marketing perspective. What are some of the things that you noticed in 2024 as maybe an emerging trend that you think will carry on into 2025?
Sure. Obviously, data-powered advertising and data-powered marketing strategies are going to continue to be a thing. As long as we can continue to work together with vendors to get clean data, right, for the ads. We're working in 2025 to really use better inventory data in our ads so using inventory feeds, that sort of stuff, to just make our ads better, perform better, have better ad copy, that sort of stuff. And then video, obviously, right? We've been talking about video for a very long time, and more and more shoppers are using video in their shopping journey, but making video more accessible to the dealers using stuff like AI and stock footage, and making it so that dealers can leverage that media in their marketing strategies more effectively and efficiently. So.
You're speaking my love language right now. You've said efficiency, and I can't help but this is the year about efficiency. You're speaking about clean data and the importance of that. What have you noticed? I think this is not something that's at the forefront of most people's minds. They're like, what do you mean by clean data? You obviously see the cascading ripple effect of that. Maybe quantify or describe that to us a little bit. What do you mean by clean data?
Sure. Well, dealerships have so many different systems that they rely on the day-to-day, from the initial conversation with the customer right down to the sale.
Right.
And making sure that those the data starts from the customer input, whether that's at the CRM or right from the lead on the website, and then right through the sale. So making sure that people are inputting the right information, that you're capturing the customer journey that got them there in an efficient way, and then making sure that all those systems talk to each other, and then that you can get that data back out and into your advertising and marketing strategies or your audiences. So
it makes sense to me. I can't help but think, and I would love to get your take on this. A dealer sets an ad budget.
Yeah.
They think that 100% of their inventory is being advertised in that ad budget, but from your vantage point, you're saying no, because the data is not clean. Maybe there's some missing vehicles or whatever. So what are you seeing as far as an impact when you're able to get the clean data? What is that doing for the dealership by way of potential return?
Yeah, so it's gonna have an impact on your actual inventory in the ads, right? Especially with feed-based advertising like Google Vehicle Ads. Everyone wants into Google Vehicle Ads right now, and the optimization from an ads management perspective is limited to what you can really do with the feed and some campaign parameters. So the better data you have in that feed, the more likely your ads are going to show. The more optimized your campaigns will be. Google's going to like you. You're going to be at the top of the results. So it's really about helping dealers get seen. And then the other thing is making sure that information, when a customer clicks on your ad onto the website, is accurate and has the full story or all of the information that the customer needs to actually make that shopping decision. So creating a consistent inventory feed, and then making sure that information is consistent on the website from the front end is incredibly important for a dealership's return.
I love it. Shifting now to video, you brought up video. What is maybe something that a dealership should be thinking about that sMedia can provide to them from the video perspective? What are you seeing that's working really well?
Yeah, so we have just launched our AI-powered inventory feeds, so AI-powered video for your inventory. So
Cool.
where you would normally have a static image for your inventory feed in your ads, we're able to replace that static image actually with a 6 to 10 second video of your car, and so that is going to set your ads apart on any platform that you use, make you accessible or make YouTube more accessible for you. TikTok, I know, if you want to talk about TikTok, it's going to be a great tool for that. So we're pretty excited.
I can only imagine that the implication there is now you have ads that have hang time, and that hang time translates to opportunity, right?
Absolutely, yeah. You're gonna have higher engagement and better interaction on those ads for sure. It's gonna go a long way to increasing the impact of your advertising dollars.
And I'm thinking about the implication as you're saying this of conversion optimization, right? Like you're training the algorithm then if people are engaging more.
Yeah,
right? Is that
absolutely.
Right?
Yeah. So I mean, algorithms, especially on platforms like TikTok and even Meta and Instagram, they really want people to watch the content you're putting out there. So if you've got an engaging video versus a still image, you're gonna get to the top of the list, or better optimization for sure. So.
Erin Richmond, thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you for having us. We're so excited you guys made it.
Yes, and now I'm going to go harvest the Canadian candy. Oh.